In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculator in Notion. By the end, you'll have a handy calculator right inside your workspace. Perfect for quick budgeting, grade tracking, or any on-the-fly math without leaving your page. First, we need a calculator widget to embed. Open your browser and search for a calculator widget online. You can look at options like Simple, Ink, CodePen, or www. Interactive Calculator. Com. Browse until you find a style that fits your needs, maybe a simple 4-function calculator for quick math, or a slightly more advanced one if you need extra functions. The key is that it provides a shareable link that works publicly. When you've found the one you like, copy its URL. If the site offers a share or copy link button, use that to ensure you are getting the correct link. If a widget is behind a login or marked private, Notion won't be able to display it, so choose one that's publicly accessible. Now switch over to your Notion page. Navigate to the spot where you want the calculator to live. Click into an empty block and paste the URL you just copied. After you paste, Notion will recognize it and show you a small prompt. If you don't see a prompt right away, press space or enter to reveal it. From that prompt, click Create Embed. Notion will load the widget in place as an embedded block. Give it a moment to render. If the site you chose doesn't allow embedding, you may see an error message. In that case, go back to your browser and try a different calculator link from another source that supports embedding. Once you see the calculator appear, try a quick calculation to confirm. It's interactive. To make it fit your page, hover over the calculator block until you see the resize handles appear along the edges. Click and drag those handles to adjust the width and height to your preference. If you want even more space across the page, you can switch the page to full width in Notion's page settings. Then resize again for a cleaner look. You can also drag the block's handle on the left to reposition the calculator above or below other content, so it sits exactly where you need it. That's all there is to it. Find a calculator widget online, paste its URL into Notion, create the embed, and adjust the size to fit. It's a quick upgrade that keeps your workflow focused and efficient. Thanks for watching.